Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the display language on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, click the Start menu button from the bottom toolbar. In the search bar, search for Settings and open them. In Settings, select Time and Language from the left menu. Choose Language and Region. The first setting here is Windows Display Language. What you set here will determine what language your computer uses. If you already have other languages downloaded, you can click the language box and switch to another language. You can download new languages to use below that. Select Add a language. Choose the language you want. Select what optional language features you want and then click Install. The language pack will now start downloading. Once it's finished, you will have to exit your session and log in again for the language to update. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.